Hey everyone, sorry. I didn't realize I had pressed record, but that's cool. I just want to kind of give you an update on what's going on. I hope last week's kind of breather week was a nice little break. I do think loyalty is a really crucial issue. I know I did not do a lecture video on that. Um, Again, hopefully that announcement video that I did kind of makes sense. So I just want to do a little bit of feedback. So, what I did was I looked at your suggestions from the extra credit and I kind of simplified things. So, you'll note that you'll have your overview, you have your readings. I am going to post a reading quiz here. Um, but as far as your discussions go, I feel like the points needed to reflect the amount of work that you're doing. So I increased the points, so it is 100 points now. So this is just kind of that traditional watch a video piece, and then of course these interactivities and resources are critical this week. I'll talk more about this when I do the lecture video, which I will put right here somewhere. Okay, so I also upped the points on the casework and I changed the casework so it looks different. There was a lot of feedback about what felt like busy work. So I don't want you to be doing busy work. I want you to be learning. So you'll note that you're going to read the chapter, kind of the same thing, but you're just going to respond to one other person instead of three other people. And so hopefully that kind of helps get rid of the busy work, but still encourages you to learn through this process. I will be changing the rubric. I'll basically be doubling everything, but just so you know, that is going to look a little bit different. So I'm still in process to make sure that week 7 is a solid week, and hopefully I've responded to your requests and requirements on this. This one is still the same. Oh, strange. This one is still the same. I'm actually well, there's still word requirements in there. Just be mindful that I'm more interested in you being concise and getting like information down um than the word count. So that brings me to the journal entries. So you'll notice there's no journal entry required this week. The purpose of the journal entries was to get you thinking about what you feel about media ethics and where you align, because you're going to be having an assignment due on week 10. So that's just in 3 weeks, where you're going to be submitting your own media ethics kind of code, your own kind of layout of what you want to see in your own interaction with media, and kind of what values are you going to hold yourself to in relation to your consumption of media and what you share and etc. So really you've done the bulk of that work. I could see how the word count was too much. So at this point, we're just going to stop doing the journal entries. I felt like that was great feedback. And then we'll just kind of keep things mostly in this. Obviously, I'll be adding a little bit to it, but it should just be some update videos. Update video, this one, a quiz, and which I'll try to keep on the simpler end, and then in addition to that, a lecture video. So this particular issue is my passion. This is actually how I ended up getting into communication, and I'll tell you more about that when I do the lecture video. But I hope this has been helpful, and you guys are doing great work.